One chilly morning, little Tori the squirrel woke up not feeling well. Mommy Squirrel touched Tori's forehead and said, "Tori, you have a fever. We need to go see the doctor." The doctor kindly asked Tori, "Hello, Tori. Where does it hurt? Do you have a runny nose? Are you coughing?" "Yes, I have a runny nose and I cough too." "Does your throat hurt? And do you have a fever?" "Yes, I have a fever and sore throat." "It's a cold. I'll give you a prescription to get well soon."